Hello and welcome back to the Teacher Trainers channel. If you're looking for a simple, exciting and fun warm-up to do in your class, stick around because we've got you covered. So today we are taking the classic rock, paper, scissors and turning it into a group activity so that you can use it in your class. How does it work? Very simple. Step 1. Divide your class into 2 groups and give each group a team name. Step number 2. Teach your students the basic commands rock, paper and scissors. Step 3. Ask each group to turn around and together as a team decide if they are going to show either rock, paper or scissors. Step 4. On the count of 3, the students will turn around and show the other team what they have chosen. The winner of that round will get a point. Continue to repeat all steps until the end of the activity, and then the team with the most points is the winner. Oh, nice. All right, turn. 3, 2, 1. And this is it. We hope you like this activity. Please hit the thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel to make sure that you don't miss any of the future content that we upload. Once again, thank you and see you in the next one.